The first signs of trouble at Camp Century emerged when the people living inside the ice tunnels began to experience a rather fetid problem. The sewage disposal system proved catastrophically flawed. The sewage sump was positioned 150 feet from the nearest building and initially constructed without ventilation. By the end of the first year of operation, the odor had become nearly unbearable in the nearest quarters. While subsequent venting at the sump reduced the stench, it failed to address the underlying problem. Core samples taken in 1962 revealed that liquid waste had permeated up to 170 feet horizontally through the ice, accelerating trench deformation and allowing the sewage odor to infiltrate nearby sleeping quarters. The situation became so dire that some areas had to be abandoned due to sanitation concerns. Then there was the problem of snow accumulation on the tunnel walls, which proved far more problematic than planners had projected. Teams worked tirelessly with specialized equipment to trim back the perpetually growing snow layers, which threatened to completely bury operational areas. Soon, engineers noticed the ice tunnels housing the nuclear reactor were compressing at an alarming rate, nearly 2 feet per year rather than the projected 4 inches. This rapid compression threatened to crush vital equipment and created dangerous structural instability throughout the facility. The glacial ice moved at approximately 100 feet per year, far faster than initial surveys suggested. Engineers fought a losing battle, trying to stabilize structures against these powerful glacial forces. Although ice caps may appear solid and stable, they are constantly in motion, spreading outward from their center. Over time, this movement causes tunnels and trenches to become narrower as their walls shift, deform, and bulge, ultimately resulting in ceiling collapses. By mid-1962, the ceiling of the reactor room at Camp Century had sunk and required raising by 5 feet. Project Iceworm planners had severely underestimated the shifting ice sheets, and it was now generating a plethora of critical issues. The nail in the coffin came when new studies revealed the ice sheet's movement would likely carry the entire facility, including its nuclear waste and frozen sewage, toward the coast. The impossibility of maintaining operations under such hostile conditions forced the military to abandon both Camp Century and the broader Project Iceworm initiative. The camp was abruptly shut down in 1966. But the mystery was to prevail. The public was never to know about the existence of Camp Century.